So what we are talking about, this all VOC is the subject, indoor air quality is the subject, that we are going to have a very good indoor quality, air quality. So these are the applications, you all know that I don't have to elaborate much on that. And now this is the wonderful thing, what we are doing is as an innovator, like like we have a lot of carpenters with the chisel and hammer, 2-3 equipment, and they say, oh, I'm making window. But what we do as an innovator, if you see these two pictures, that we are having a special camera like X-ray machine, this is called IR camera, and you can see how much energy you are losing with the old window and how much you can save, because 20 years ago air conditioning was like a luxury. It's computer and air conditioner has become a necessity. Every house has to have at least one computer and one. You're always talking, India is always wrongly presented as a poor country. I cannot believe that we still have that kind of image. You go to every house, they have a computer and at least one air conditioner. Now this air conditioner affording, we used to say in Hindi, you can buy an elephant, but to feed an elephant is more expensive. So people can buy an air conditioner, but recurring cost of energy is quite high. So what we are doing is with the Aluplast innovation, you can save minimum 30% up to 50% energy from your all air conditioners less. Now you can see simply, like if you have a 2 BHK or 3 BHK 2-bedroom house or 3-bedroom house, if you have 2 air conditioner, if your air conditioning bill is coming, or like total electricity bill coming, 50% is the cost of only air conditioner. Rest of the thing is all 50%, combining all geysers and everything. So within 50% you can easily save 30% energy, and this is the key word. And I'm sure energy, we are having around 29% energy deficiency in the country. If you save 30%, we don't need another power stations and all these things. So this is how we can check with the naked eye. You cannot check that energy. We have IR camera available with us, which we will be moving along with the team of Sudhakar. And between then we can demonstrate. We are doing a lot of case study with green building people, with the Bureau of Energy Efficiency people, wherein you can see the loss, how much loss you make every day. Because unless we see, we will never understand. The red portion, you can see how much energy is floating out because of the weak window systems. Now this energy efficiency logo, not too many people in the world can use, and I'm proud to say that being part of Aluplast and Sudhakar also being part of Aluplast partnership, we are allowed to use this energy efficiency logo, which is not given to every Tom, Dick and Harry. This is very, very selectively given to selected companies. So this is a beautiful advantage what we are talking about. Then I was just explaining about the recyclability also, that we are part of Rewindow program, wherein all the old windows can be recycled, because this product can be 100% recycled. It is not unlike that we have to again process at 700-degree temperature and all, and metal or something, but this can be 100% recycled. Yeah. So because as I said, my 5S principle, I always say safety, security, solar, sound and sustainability. These are the 5 factors. Solar, we discussed about thermal. Now the sound is a major issue, like you are working so hard during the day and in the night we want to sleep. Now because of the excessive traffic, always people are honking outside and you can't sleep, and people cannot put concentration. Even kids are largely affected in the schools and all these places because of this honking. These windows can cut down your energy, like your noise level, almost to a negligible level. So we can cut down a dB up to 45 to 50, depending on the whole combination of glass, window and installation. But no other system can offer you. They can cut down up to 30, 32. Like as I said, if I am a good wrestler, I can lift a weight up to 100 kilo, but 110 is more difficult, 120 is more difficult. So up to 30, anybody can cut 30 dB. Cutting to 40, 45, we are doing a lot of projects at the hotel where they're close to airport and the noise is too high. So this system can cut down up to 45 to 50 dB on the noise.